Hello everyone, welcome to our video. This video shows our egg tray production line running at our customer's factory in Cyprus, with an output of approximately 2,500 to 3,000 pieces per hour. First, waste paper and other raw materials are conveyed into the pulping system. Inside the pulper, the materials are mixed with water and processed into a uniform paper pulp. After pulping, the slurry is transferred to the pulp storage tank and other pulp preparation equipment, ready for the next stage of production. Next comes the core part of the egg tray manufacturing process, the egg tray forming machine. The prepared pulp is delivered to the forming machine, where the molds shape the pulp into wet egg trays. The molding system runs continuously, forming tray after tray. The finished wet trays are then automatically transferred out, ready for drying. This egg tray production line is designed for stable and continuous operation, with a production capacity of around 2,500 to 3,000 pieces per hour. For this project, the customer selected a drying chamber to remove moisture from the wet egg trays. The trays are loaded into the drying chamber and dried with controlled heat and airflow, helping them reach the required moisture level. After drying, the finished egg trays become stronger, lighter, and ready for use in egg transportation and packaging. This is our egg tray manufacturing plant successfully running at our customer's factory in Cyprus. If you are looking for a complete egg tray production line, contact us for a suitable solution based on your production requirements.